All right, today we're going to bring some earphones, and these are perfect for traveling and working out. They have some water resistance, not completely submergible, but they're really good. They'll last you for many hours as long as you have them in the system and charge them. Now, these, if you guys can notice, they're the profile is very slim, pretty much all black, metallic, pretty much cover. They have a way to plug them in here, which is a Type C connection. You plug it in there, it's going to charge up pretty quick and get you up and going. Now, opening them up, they're simple in the middle. You could set it up in here where it says there's a button here to turn them on. And this is going to be actually to enable the actual system to start the production of transferring energy to the actual earphones and also syncing it up to your phone. Now, when you get them out of the actual box, they have the little cover. You have to remove this, and this will enable them to start charging immediately. If you can't get that charge, you got to remove that. And it tells you there how to start the whole process. Now, this one's very simple to sync up. And if you're going to be working out running, they fit exactly like the Apple Air 2. They sound very good too, and they have good bass also. Now, I own these particular ones in different colors. Of course, they have multiple colors, but I got this black one, which I like, this metallic black. You can see the case itself looks beautiful in there. The only problem is that they're too small, all right? So you could lose them somewhere else. Just make sure you're properly have them in your pocket or your purse if you're traveling, or anywhere that you can have the base in there, because base will actually charge the units, all right? So just be aware of that. All right, so fitting here, and they're clearly marked too. They're marked on the box here. They're left or right, and right now we're doing right. And the profile on them, and of course, they have different attachments for different earlobes, all right? So they're also included with it. But look at this. Profiles fit pretty good. And like I said, they have multiple colors, different various colors. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.